So you have to take this initiative where you are going and connecting with people. Hi beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. My name is Ankita, your friend over here, back again with another amazing video for all of you. But before I start today's video, I would like to request you, please subscribe to the channel and be part of this beautiful tribe. Your presence truly matters and it means the world to me. Thank you. So today's video is a requested video from one of you, which is about empowerment. I am really excited to talk about this and share my own experience which I recently had. Firstly, you need to understand what makes you feel empowered. When you gain control of your life, when you make informed decision, when you start taking action towards your goal, you feel empowered. Empowerment comes from your action. You will see that people who are more empowered, more confident, they try to take more risks because they know they are in charge of their life and they can navigate any problem life throws at them. Also, you will see that once you feel this confidence inside of you, you are willing to go into the places which you usually fear. Let me tell you my own example, which I was eagerly waiting to share with all of you. Recently, I was traveling, and this time, for the first time, I had a hostel experience, which I never did before. Whenever I used to travel, I used to offer hotel. This time, it was just a thought inside of me and some situation which came, and I was like, let's go and explore the option of hostel. You know what I have experienced choosing this option was, I felt confident. It was something which I felt like why I haven't tried it before. I always used to stay in hotels, as I said, but I realized staying in hostel opens you up and it allows you to meet new people. I connected with a lot of people during this trip, and I was really fascinated and excited to hear from them and connect and know about them. This is really a great way to connect with new people because you're getting this opportunity and a place to come together in one place and just have this random conversation. And it was really a great and new experience for me. So this is how you come out of your comfort zone when you experience certain things. And also, the kind of age I am into, I mostly interact with people related to my business or work. I don't make friends and all these things, but there are acquaintances where you just get to connect with people and just have the random conversation about life. But it brings the different perspective inside of you because people come from diverse background. So I realized like, okay, I came across a lot of people who were from different states, different cities. So I came to know how they live life, what life is about in their city, which we usually don't get to experience when we are living in our own city. So it was a good change for me which I have experienced, and also it helped me overcome this limiting belief like, I just have to be by myself or something like that whenever I'm traveling to off for a hotel. This time it was shared experience, but it was good because the privacy was intact. There was this my own space where I was living, but also there was this opportunity to meet other people in the common areas. So if you are an introvert, this is especially for you. If you go out, if you travel, you will see that you're getting chance to connect with others. But there is one more thing, you have to take this initiative to go and connect with people. Otherwise, you will again be in your cocoon and you will just sleep and rest in your own bed and place and you will not come out. So you have to take this initiative where you are going and connecting with people. And when you do all these things, you somewhere cultivate the growth mindset. It encourages you and it challenges you to come out of your comfort zone. And I am saying this thing because I've recently experienced this and I really felt good, and now I'm like, okay, let's do more of it because it was really fun. And if you're in your early or mid-20s, you will see that you can just make friends too. See, I can say from my age, like now I'm 30, so this is not my priority to go and make friends and all these things. As I said, my life has become more about work, professional meetups and business, but you can just explore this thing, because what I have seen is people in their mid-20s was the age group that I have seen living in the hostel. And also this is a great way to experience a hostel life. I really enjoyed it, and I have already lived that life in UK, so I am aware of this thing. But being a professional, when you get to experience this thing, it's like reliving those moments. So I really enjoyed having this time and connecting with people. And you will see that you can learn a lot by interacting with others, because this was a trip where I have interacted with so many people, but I have also learned a lot from them. And one of you is part of this tribe. If you're listening, you know whom I'm talking to. But this is how you meet people in real life and you connect. So I just wanted to share this experience with all of you, how to feel empowered, because when you do things out of your comfort zone, because this was out of my comfort zone. I am also a very luxurious and comfy traveler, so I don't easily opt for such options. But I would say this was a new and kind of a good experience for me, which I had. So you have to take this extra step to step out of your comfort zone, to go and interact with other people, because that's how you come out of your comfort zone and you challenge yourself. So I'm giving you a practical example like how you can do it, because the more you challenge, you will see that you feel like okay, you can handle anything that life throws at you. Because when you travel like this, when you are challenged, especially I feel like travel is such an experience which brings lot of challenge for you, and when you navigate that challenge, that what makes you stronger. And I have lived my life this way. I am a traveler, but yes, travel has always come up with lot of challenge, because you have to be responsible, you have to take lot of responsibility, you have to plan lot of itineraries. So in that context, yes, travel does come with a challenge, but you will see that the more you do it, you will feel confident. Also, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this video? Share your experience. What was your travel experience? I will be more than happy, and I'm looking forward to read your experience. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and be part of this tribe. Your presence truly matters and it means the world. I hope this video was helpful to you some way or the other. Sending your way lots of love and light. Signing off from my side. Until next time, keep shining bright. Bye bye.